Hi there, friends! Today we are here for a really momentous occasion. I am very excited because we are here to commemorate the final day of Splash Mountain's operation here in Disneyland in Southern California. Splash Mountain is a beloved attraction by so many. Many of us grew up going on Splash Mountain when we were children. I have so many good memories, and it's going to be a big bummer when it's gone, but at the same time, I'm really looking forward to what's to come. So while we mourn what we're leaving behind, we are going to enjoy the new ride when it comes out and when it's redone. But for now, we're going to just take in all that we can. We're going to have food at the Hungry Bear restaurant just in honor, because it just seems like it kind of fits the aesthetic of Splash Mountain. And we will see how long it takes me to get through the line. Fingers crossed I'm not here all night long. The wait time right now is about 250 minutes, which is pretty insane, but it's going to be a lot of fun. It is actually a little chilly out. It feels great right now, but it's been raining today, so we'll see how that goes with the drop and getting drenched and all of that good stuff. As many of you may have heard, in Walt Disney World, when this ride initially closed, it was pure chaos. People got absolutely just weird, and a lot of that was due to the fact that they actually let people go through the line completely until the line is completely gone. So people were going down the log rides for 2 hours, I mean maybe it was 3 hours. It was a long time after the park closed. Finally, by around 2 a.m., it was full of cast members who had the honor to take the very last plunge. So while we're here today, I'm hoping that we're not going to see a lot of the craziness of people trying to gather water in jars and sell them on eBay for $200 a pop. Or I saw some yesterday that were around $20,000 a piece, which is just insane. We'll see if there's a lot of weirdos here. Honestly, it just looks like a lot of people who are just really sad to be waiting in such a long line. But I guess we'll see what things turn out to be throughout the night, because it looks like we're going to be here for a while.
Worn and rare, the rabbit is facing certain death.
Using my microphone right now, but I think the acoustics are pretty okay here. I just got off of Splash Mountain for the final time. It's super depressing in some ways. In other ways, I'm very excited. I know I've had mixed feelings this whole evening, but this truly was a huge part of my childhood and so many others' childhoods. We really did grow up. I mean, all those photos of the log ride is just such a classic ride photo. But the cool thing about this re-theme is that it's gonna be so fun when it reopens. I'm really looking forward to it. They're gonna add new music. It's gonna be all about Princess and the Frog, which in my family, specifically my husband and I, we love that movie. We love the music. I mean, seriously, the music slaps. Like, we listen to the music. My husband does not listen to Disney music, but this is like his jam. So I'm really looking forward to it. I think the re-theme is gonna be amazing. As much as I'm really sad to see this one go, I'm all for seeing the creativity of the new stuff, and I'm really looking forward to the new re-theme. So we'll catch you next time. For now, I'm gonna go try to catch another couple of rides. Looking like a little plastic bag a little bit. If you notice the photo from my last ride photo, it's perfect to me because I was planning initially to have the ride photo be of me crying, so I brought this tissue with me so that I looked like I was crying. But then when I actually got to the top, I realized, oh my gosh, I was planning on videotaping as I'm going down the ride, so that was not gonna work out. So I was stuck in this dilemma where I had a tissue in one hand and my phone in the other trying to record, and you'll just see me just sitting there like, why? Because I just can't decide what to do. And I just think that's perfect because I don't know, it just kind of sums up how this whole experience went. It's a little sad, a little bittersweet, a little funny. It's a lot of fun. Anyways, we will see you next time when we cover some other aspect of the parks. And for now,